Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by acting fast. Check the jeans care label and test a 1/2-inch hidden seam for dye transfer so you don't make the white cast worse. Next, mix 1 tablespoon mild detergent into 1 cup cold water and blot the affected area gently with a clean cloth. You want to lift surface residue without rubbing pigment away. Once the top layer loosens, rinse with cold water to remove detergent and any dislodged residue, and prepare for deeper treatment. Once done with the spot lift, you move to restore uniform color. Fill a basin or machine with cold water, add 1 cup white vinegar to set dye and reduce white residue, and add 1/2 cup baking soda for gentle mechanical action and odor control. Wash the jeans inside out on a gentle cycle or hand scrub for 10 minutes, focusing on the faded zones. Make sure to avoid hot water, which can fix the cast. Instead, rinse thoroughly in cold water until no suds remain. You finish by air drying the jeans inside out away from direct sun to prevent new bleaching and to let colors settle evenly. If some white cast remains, repeat a short vinegar soak or cautiously apply a diluted textile dye to even out patches. Test first on a seam. If dye bleeds or transfers, stop and rewash immediately with a color catcher and cold water, because acting fast limits permanent damage and gives you the best chance to restore the original black.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.